Welcome to a journey through traditional delightful treasures, where we uncover the timeless delicacies that have been cherished for generations. Step into a world of rich flavors and intricate craftsmanship as we explore the culinary heritage of different cultures. First stop, a vibrant marketplace bustling with activity, where the aroma of freshly ground spices fills the air. Watch as skilled hands meticulously prepare savory samosas, a staple in Indian cuisine. The crisp golden pastry filled with flavorful spices and fragrant vegetables is a true embodiment of tradition. Next, we travel to the picturesque streets of Italy, where a master pasta maker skillfully rolls out thin, delicate strands of pasta. The tender dough is transformed into a mouthwatering plate of handmade spaghetti, a true labor of love. Further on our journey, we find ourselves in a peaceful tea plantation. Here, delicate tea leaves are carefully plucked and sun-dried, preserving their exceptional quality and flavor. A cup of freshly brewed tea offers a moment of tranquility, evoking a connection to nature and generations gone by. Finally, we find ourselves in a quaint confectionery, where skilled artisans create exquisite pastries. The flaky, buttery crust of a French croissant is a testament to both precision and passion. Each bite takes you on a journey to the streets of Paris. As our journey comes to an end, we invite you to embrace the richness of tradition and savor these timeless delicacies. Thanks for joining us on this enchanting exploration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content.
Now enjoy every moment.